Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you first step if you want to fix your eyesight without surgery. I highly recommend to develop as a habit relaxation before going to sleep. Try to relax all the muscles of the face, shoulders, hands and the whole body. And here in such a relaxed state, I recommend falling asleep. And if you fall asleep, in the process of relaxation is very good, because rest and recovery will be much better, so you can learn to feel tension in your body. It is bad that no one teaches us at school how to relax, and even better, do not get stressed especially. The main reason of blurry vision is overexertion and strained eye muscle. With proper relaxation and recovery during night, your eyes can rest and recover much more efficiently, and your eyesight will increase. I improved my eyesight naturally, and first what I did, started to learn relaxation of facial muscles, and it helps to relax the whole body and to get rid of eye muscle spasm. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyesight.